Some breaking news now coming in on the Mollywood Me Too moment that is taking place ever since allegations have come tumbling out about sexual harassment by several women, several actresses, and this is after the Justice Hema Committee report that spoke about this, how extensive the sexual harassment is in the industry. And now the breaking news is that AMA has been disbanded and Mohanlal has resigned as the president of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists. And in fact, several allegations made against this body, not in particular against Mohanlal, but also against how it was dominated by men and how several women were actually forced to leave the industry if they spoke out, and how many of them faced instances of sexual harassment. Remember, NDTV has been tracking this story very, very closely. We've had we've spoken in fact to several of the victims of sexual harassment in the industry who recounted how they were harassed. Actor Meenu Muniyar also spoke to us. She is somebody who came out with very, very serious allegations against, in fact, actor turned MLA as well, and that is something that has made the Kerala government uncomfortable, and the Kerala government on its part, remember, has set up an SIT. But the big breaking news right now is that AMA, that is the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, has disbanded and Mohanlal has quit as the president. Let's go across to Uma Sudhir now for more. Uma, a big impact of this Me Too moment that the Malayalam film industry is having, and now AMA disbanded, Mohanlal has quit as president.
Yes, indeed. The Association of Malayalam Movie Artists has issued a statement saying that Mohanlal is resigning as the president, and what we understand is that it's a joint letter by all the executive committee members, and all of them have together given this joint resignation, saying that in the light of the allegations that have come about, they believe that it is their moral duty to resign. What I must point out is that Mohanlal was in fact elected a third time as the president of AMA only in the month of June. End of June is when the elections took place for AMA, and that's when Mohanlal was re-elected, in fact, a third time. But what has happened in the last few days is that not just Siddique, who was functioning as the secretary of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, he had to resign on Sunday. In fact, he resigned after allegations were made by another woman on Saturday, saying that she was in fact subjected to sexual assault. In fact, she mentioned rape and also physical assault by Siddique, who she said had called her to discuss a movie project and had sexually assaulted her after addressing her as Mole, in a Mole meaning daughter in Malayalam, in a social media kind of a message that he had sent to her. Subsequently, Meenu Muniyar, who also spoke to NDTV, has mentioned not just the name of Kollam MLA Mukesh, but also the names of several others who in fact are part of the same Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, and that includes Edavila Babu, who in fact was secretary before Siddique took over as secretary in the organization. Before that, Siddique had been in fact treasurer in the same organization, and I believe that he was not very keen on taking up or continuing with the role. But Mammootty, another big star in Malayalam film industry, had in fact appealed to Siddique to continue, and that's how we had continued. But now, yesterday we were running pictures and speaking about actor Jayasuriya as well, against who again Meenu Muniyar had said certain things, saying that when she was shooting for a movie and acting as chief secretary inside the Kerala Secretariat, she alleges that actor Jayasuriya had come and embraced her from behind. So all that adding up with many of the members of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists facing allegations, serious allegations in fact, from women who say that they were controlling the Malayalam film industry, that they did not stand up for the victims. In fact, even Mohanlal was attacked by Shami Tilagan, who is the son of Tilagan, a very veteran actor. Shami himself is an actor, and he had asked the question why Mohanlal is not reacting to all these allegations that are being made about the Malayalam film industry, considering that he is the president of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, and Mohanlal had not responded. But now, of course, the response is coming in the form of this resignation by Mohanlal. So a lot of churning, should I say, happening in the Malayalam film industry, almost an uproar that's been created by so many women coming forward and saying that all is not well with the Malayalam film industry, that there is a domination by the male, not just the stars, not just the actors, but also producers and also directors. Yesterday we also had another junior artist who had made a complaint against yet another star. So it's a series of complaints that have come forth, and now that taking the toll on the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, which incidentally is supposed to represent the cause of the cine artists. It conducts several events every year, raises funds for the aging artists and tries to provide them with some kind of support and pensions, some form of financial help as well.
Right.
But it is also meant to stand up for the women artists. Beena Paul, who we had spoken to on NDTV, she had said that if organizations like Amma were dominated by men, it's going to be a problem. But I must point out, Gargi, that there are 4 women members on the Amma as well, and that is something that has been mandated by the bylaws of the institution itself. Back to you.
All right, Uma, yes, questions have been raised about, Mohanlal and Mammootty's silence ever since, these allegations and the Hema Committee report has come out. Also, as you mentioned, these allegations that were made by Meenu Munir, and it will also involve actor turned politician Mukesh, and that's something that's put the state government also into a somewhat tricky situation, isn't it? And that too is being questioned.
Yes, indeed. See, now we have already seen the resignation of all the members of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists coming in after the allegations of sexual, misconduct against some of their members, and taking some sort of a responsibility. The Association of Malayalam Movie Artists has now tendered its resignation. Just, should I say, hardly 2-3 months into the new association that was formed with new incumbent members. So now, what will Mukesh do? He is the Kollam MLA. He is part of the ruling federation, the left front, government, and he has been elected as a Kollam MLA. So, what is his action going to be? Will he wait for the investigation itself to take place before he tenders his resignation? That's the question that would be asked, certainly. But what we saw yesterday was that in Kollam, the BJP activists there, the BJP workers there had in fact held a protest demonstration saying that he must step down pending this investigation. The other side, the special investigation team that was constituted and announced by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan after an emergency meeting that happened on Sunday, that's a 7-member committee expected to have at least 4 women members, IPS officers. What is the mandate of that particular committee? That is something that we need to watch keenly. Whether they will only take cognizance of women who come out and complain at this stage, or will they start looking at all the testimonies that have been given in the Hema Commission, and will they start registering FIRs or investigate on the basis of what was told to the Commission itself?
Right, Uma, for viewers who are just tuning in, a big impact of the Me Too moment that is, the Malayalam film industry is having is that the AMA, that is the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, has disbanded, and president of AMA, Mohanlal, has resigned as well. Uma, as you were pointing out, that many have questioned Mohanlal's silence ever since the Hema Committee report came out.
Yes, indeed. We saw Shammi Tilakan, one of the actors, and his family is in fact full of actors. He had spoken about and questioned why Mohanlal is staying silent. I spoke to Shammi Tilakan this morning, and he said, yes, it's a very valid question to raise because his own father, Tilakan, who was a veteran actor in the Malayalam film industry and in fact passed away in 2018, Tilakan was subjected to, or allegedly, reportedly subjected to harassment because of Tilakan talking about what he called something that the Hema Committee also has used the same word. He used the word mafia, cinema mafia, which was controlling the Malayalam film industry, and the word and reports had been suggesting, saying that someone like Tilakan had stopped getting work in the industry because of this kind of, he's being debarred from the industry because he spoke up asking about the control by certain members who are dominating the Malayalam Movie Artists Association as well. And subsequently, after the death of Thilakan, his son had once again raised this issue in the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, and there was a talk of having a probe to find out whether indeed Thilakan was wronged or not. But what I must say is that the Heba Commission report also in fact spoke about a famous actor who had been denied work because he raised his voice and asked certain questions about the Malayalam film industry not functioning in a professional manner and being controlled by a few people, and word going out unofficially in fact saying that this person shall not be entertained by any of the production houses. So when industry is controlled by a handful of people, in this case we are talking about Thilakan, who was a male artist, saying that this industry is controlled by a few whose writ in fact is running in this association, that had raised certain questions. And now the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists also saying that they are going to take the moral high ground in the sense and resigning. Mohanlal also giving in resignation. I have not yet seen a copy of the statement, but I do understand the content of the statement is that they are jointly saying that they are resigning, and therefore the body which was elected June 30th, the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, that is now stepping down. So what happens next, whether these individual artists still continue to be big personalities in Malayalam cinema, as you mentioned, whether it's a Mohanlal, whether it's a Mammootty. Of course, Mukesh himself has been accused of wrongdoing by a particular artist. There is a technician, a casting director as well, who has made allegations against these top star, and therefore all that possibly coming into investigation now. But whether the contours of the report itself are to be defined by the Home Department today, and we await that circular which will mention what exactly this special investigation team is meant to investigate.